Children, as we are discussing about the past, so throughout the time period, the people they travel from one place to another place. That means the one part of the subcontinent to another part. Clear? The hills and the high mountains, including the Himalayas, deserts, rivers, and seas, made journeys dangerous at times, but never possible. That means from the very early times, the people used to move from one place to another place. As the early human being, they used to wander from one place to another place. Whatever the dangers they face in their way, they won't make their journey impossible. चाहे कितनी भी मुसीबतें आएँ, कितने भी dangers they have to face on their way, still they keep on move. Clear? So men and women moved in search of livelihood, as in search of food, as we have discussed about the hunter gatherers. अपने भोजन की तलाश में they used to move from one place to another place. So especially in search of livelihood, as also to escape from the natural disasters like floods or droughts. Sometimes the people are also on move just only because of these natural disasters. कहीं पे बाढ़ आ गई, कहीं पे सूखा पड़ गया, then they have to move from that place to another place. Sometimes men marched in armies. As they worked in armies, then also they have to move, conquering others' land. Like in the case of the rulers, they used to, in order to conquer दूसरे प्रदेशों को जीतने के लिए, they used to move from one place to another place. And besides that, children, the merchants, जो व्यापारी होते थे, they traveled with caravans or ships. Caravans means the group of the traders. So they move in groups, carrying their valuable goods from place to place. Clear? So they also moved in groups in order to sell or buy their products, different products. Talking about the children, religious teachers, they also walked from village to village, town to town, stopping to offer instruction and advice on the way. लोगों में अपने शिक्षाओं को, अपने टीचिंग्स को फैलाने के लिए they also used to move from one place to another place. Finally, some people perhaps travel driven by a spirit of adventure also, as wanting to discover new and exciting places. Like in order to discover the new places, that was also one of the reason why the people keep on move. Children, as we are talking about that people move from one region to another region. So just only because of this movement of people, जो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे वो जाते थे, because of that it led to the sharing of ideas between people. They just only been get affected by the ideas as well as the culture of one place to another place. Clear? So as we have talked about in this video, why the people travel from one place to another place. Now children, in our next video we'll discuss about why do people travel nowadays, as nowadays also we used to travel from one place to another place. So just we'll discuss about why do people travel nowadays.